Okay, we are filling the holes for our stanchions with epoxy. We've countersinked them. Now I'm going to prime them, and Todd's going to mix up some thickened epoxy that we can push down into the hole and fill it up. One down, more to go.
We're filling in the holes from the old stanchions that were here because they were improperly done, and then the deck can be sealed. When we're ready to put them in the right way, we can just drill them where we want them anyway. So we squished stuff into the holes. We failed to turn the camera on so that we could hide that super secret thing. We used a syringe to fill the holes, but we didn't get it on camera. We just took an old bag, clipped the corner off, squirted a bunch of epoxy in there, thickened epoxy, and then squeeze it out the little hole to fill the syringe up. It was the easiest way to fill that up. And then we just used this to squirt it into the holes that were drilled in the boat with the thickened epoxy so it won't run all the way through, to fill those up. And then we came back and filled over the top with a blob and faired that out with the yellow little fairing tool. That's what we did. Is this a Boat Bit Friday?
I don't know what this is. Okay.
Then I won't say Tech Tip with Tuesday with Todd. I might say Boat Bit Friday with Tammy. This is something we'll see.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing. We'll see you in our next episode.